Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And today we are having a giveaway. Yay! And it is a Let's in Style giveaway. I have done 2 previous videos and I will post them somewhere along this video so that you can go back and see the complete details of each item that was shown in this collaboration with LetInStyle. I worked with Cherish in the beginning and now I am working with Claire, and I want to thank LetInStyle for sending these fabulous pieces over to me. I also want to give you a brief synopsis of what LetInStyle is, and I'm sure many of you have already seen numerous videos from our channel friends that have also shown and had giveaways with LetInStyle. This will be my second giveaway with them, and I want to share more with you. I also want to let you know that LetInStyle is a great place for you to shop if you're interested in getting multiple things for your friends, teachers, family, young ladies, young girls, anybody that loves jewelry and or hair pieces. They would love this. It's an affordable fashion accessory site, LetInStyle.com, and I will have that information down in my description, along with you can save 10% on your order for Christmas with LSmiss, and I will have that in my description so that you will be sure to be able to use that along with the link. Now they have a passion and purpose, and what it is their journey began with an unwavering passion for fashion and the belief that everyone deserves access to affordable and stylish accessories. We recognize that fashion is more than just clothing. It's a canvas for self-expression. Our mission is to empower individuals to embrace their unique style without the constraints of a budget. Whether you're searching for a statement piece or a subtle addition to your collection, LetInStyle has you covered. And that is a brief description of their business, and I just want you to know, when I say you can go and shop, when you shop LetInStyle, if you pick out a jewelry piece, it may say 4 on there. So like for example, if you pick out some earrings, it may say 4 pieces, and it means you will get 4 of those sets of earrings. So if you have numerous friends and family that you want to put little like jewelry gift packets together for Christmas for teachers, sisters, mothers, mother-in-laws, just aunts, whatever, friends, your best friends, you can put multiple gifts together and spread them out and save a bundle, because guess what? That little set of 4 or 3 or whatever is in it may only cost you $2 or $3 for multiple sets. Now in my giveaway, as I had mentioned, you can go back and watch my full descriptions of these items in the videos that I have tagged up above, and like I said, I will put it along there somewhere. But I want to show you what is going to be in this giveaway. This was a package of 7 clips, and they're decorative, beautiful little hair clips, and I received 7 in one package for like $1 or $2. It was just unbelievable. But one of these will be in the giveaway for you, and we'll go on to the next item. This is a boho style with earrings, and this will be in the giveaway, and it is a necklace and earring set, and it is very cute. And there were 3 in this set for, like I said, for $2 or $3. I don't even know if it went over $3. All their items were just so wonderfully priced. But if you have anyone in your family that likes the boho style like I do, then I am going to have this set in the giveaway, and it will include the necklace and the earrings. So keep that in mind. Also going to have this beautiful heart necklace that would be just gorgeous to go with anything when you just want a simple, dainty look for your neckline. This is beautiful, and this too will be in the giveaway. And again, I got 3 sets of these for just a couple of dollars, so you can see that you would be able to find some great gifts for your family and friends. And you will also receive this set of earrings earrings, and it will go nice with this necklace here. It's got the diamond studs in there. Of course, they're not real diamonds, but you can see how it could coordinate. And if you like an asymmetrical look with dangle earrings, you're going to love this. This came in a set of 3 for like $2.30 or 40 cents. Like I said, you can get the full details when you go back and look at my videos. But besides looking at those, what I would suggest is just going over to their site, LetSinsTyle.com, and find out and look and see, because there's something else you need to know. Their styles change out constantly. They not only bring you great fashion, jewelry, accessories, and other types of accessories at a great price, they also bring you new and updated items on a regular basis. So what you've seen here may not even be available. They may have already sold out because they were so popular, but don't be discouraged, because they replenish their stocks of new styles, new fashions that you will just love. So my encouragement is to go over and check out LetInStyle. Now, what do you have to do in order to win this giveaway? You need to be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell. You need to make a comment down in the description, and let's use the word LetInStyle, all in one, LetInStyle. And you must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the continental USA. YouTube and our LetInStyle is not responsible for this giveaway. These items were sent to me free for review, and I am giving away these pieces that I showed you for one of you to win. So, rules will be down in my descriptions, but I will tell you it will be sent out by the USPS Postal Service. I am not responsible for any losses or damages. I cannot replace any of these items. And be sure and test an area if you have sensitivities to metals, because I am also not responsible for any allergic reactions. Now, how long will this giveaway last? Well, I want to give y'all plenty of time to join in for the fun and have opportunity for you to give gifts. If these are not necessarily your cup of tea, then perhaps you can gift them out for Christmas. So this will end on November 30th, and I will ship them out, and I will mail the prize out to the lucky winner as soon as I hear from you, so you'll have plenty of time to decide if these are gifts for you or gifts for some of your family. But as for today, that's all I have. And as a reminder, you're going to receive in this giveaway these earrings, this beautiful heart necklace. You're going to receive the boho set with the earrings that match with the beautiful necklace. And you're going to receive a hair clip for your hair to accessorize, and you can see how shiny and pretty it is. So those are my rules. That is the giveaway. Be sure and use LetInStyle in the description in order to win and be eligible. And that's all I have for LetInStyle. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.